Okay, this is All Right Now by Free. So this is a fairly easy song. The solo is even kind of easy as well because it's kind of slow moving and stuff. There's not too many fast riffs and things. So let's check out this first riff here we got. Okay, so that's an A chord, open 2 2 2, and then we're gonna go to this D chord with the A bass, open 4 2 3. So it's like that. It's that Stonesy kind of looking chord, I always call it. So we got. We'll have one more A bass here, and then we're gonna go. And it kind of changes how many times it strums that little part, but it's 4 on the D string, open, and 3. And then you bring in the 2 over here to make it the other chord there. So it's like. Okay, so 2 3 4. Okay, so the first time it kind of just hits these twice each, but then it starts getting into like a. You can have 3 hits, or you can have sometimes even 4 hits on them. So it kind of changes up as it goes. Starts kind of simple, gets more complicated as it goes. So again, the intro riff, 2 3, eh. Okay, so that one had the kind of 3 strums in there. Now we'll do the one that has 4. So 2 3, and. Okay, so you got down, up, down, up, down. Okay, now the chorus is going to be. So we got this little power chord here on the D string. We got 7 and 9, 9 on the G. We got 2 hits and then another hit. We got 1, 2, and then the third hit. We're going right to that 9 and 7. We're gonna hit that power chord here, this G power chord, 5 and 7. So it's an A power chord to a G power chord. Now we're gonna go 4 and 7. Back to that 7 9. And now this one, 4 7. So the first one, you kind of hit it on an upbeat before the new measure, and the second time, or whenever it's going to a new part, you're going to wait and hit it on the downbeat. So sometimes it'll do a double chorus, and you got to keep doing the upbeat one and wait till it's all over before you hit that downbeat. So one more time in this chorus here, we got 2 3 4. So that one I waited, I hit it on the downbeat. Okay, then we're back into another verse. You got all that stuff, you got the chorus again. I would have done 2 of those, but I just did the one. Okay, then we got the solo, we got. Okay, so let's take a look at that. We got 14 on the G and 13 on the B. We got. So it's like 3 times back and forth. Now this time we're going to go from the 14 to the 15, 13 on the second. And we have 2 14s with a little tiny bend on that 13 there. So. Then we wait a minute, we go. So we're bending the 15 on the B string. Hold it for a little bit, let it pull off to the 13. Then we go back to that 15. 13, 14, 14, and we'll slide the last 14 down. So. Then we're going to start out the same with the 14s and 13s. Now this time we're going to do 4 sets of the 14, 13. We're going to hit the 13 again. 2 14s and back to a little bend here. Now this one we don't wait as long. We get into that 15 bend, so I'll show you the whole thing again. We got. So we did the bend up and down and the pull off to the 13. Bend the 15 again, and then 17 we're going to bend extra. Like a 1.5 step bend. That's your 13 on the B, 14 on the G. We're going to bend this little 15 up. Okay, so it's. Okay, and then you got 4 bars of a little bass kind of setup. And then we have a slow moving solo. It's going to go. Okay, so we have open to 2 on the G. And then 2 to 4. So it's like a whole measure you hold this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So last you're going to have 2 of these. 2 to 4, 2 to 4, and then backwards. And then we wait a bit. 2, 4, 4, 2 again, and then we're gonna have. So we're gonna have the 3 slide into the 5 on the second string. Now here we have the 5 to the 7 on the second string, but with the open on the little string there. Slide 7 to 5 back, kind of slow, and then we got 5 again. Slide again. And then we're gonna slide into the 4 and the G to the little 5. So that was a slide into the 4 and the G. Smallest string, 5th fret. Take that 4 and the G up and down to the 2. And then we're going to slide into the 10. And I recommend the middle finger because of what's coming next. So we hold that like 2 measures. And then we're going to come in with. So it's kind of like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so it's after the 1. It's like the 1 and. It's like 1 E and a. And you're going to have 4 sets of this 9 to 11 on the G to the 10. So it has a kind of a pickup note. We're going to bend that 12. So once again, it was you're holding the 10. 3, 4, 1. And then we're going to start on the new downbeat and do 5 sets of this 9, 11, 10. Then we're going to go. So that was a 12 up and down to the 10. 11 on the G, back to that 10. So here we're going to wait till the very end of the measure at the last kind of 16th note. We're going to hit that 12 in the second string. Then we're going to hit both 12s and bend the 12. 10, 11, 10 again. And then we do it again. And then we're going to come up here to another fast riff. 17th fret, 17 to 20 to little 17. We're going to do 5 sets of that like we did before. And then we're going to bend this 20 on the second string. So it's 3, 4. So we're going to have, after the 20 bend, we have 17, 17. We're going to bend that 20 up, and then we're going to have a pull off. 20 to 17, and then little 20 to second string 20, bend it. Little 17 to another bend there. And then we're going to have a pickup note for the fast notes again. Okay, so this time we're going to end that 20. We can go to a 17 after that. So once again, the pickup was. So bend, 17, 17 to other 17. Couple ups and downs with the 20s. You got a 17 at the end, and then another 20, 20 with a bend. Now we're getting to the end here. 17, 20, bend it, 19, 17. So I'm gonna try to get that whole solo for you. So we got. Then we're getting into that 10. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then we got 5 of them. Okay, and then you're back in the main riff. Okay, and your chorus again. Okay, and that's basically all your parts, all right now by Free. Great stuff. I got 2 pages of tabs on this. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll talk to y'all soon.